Hi, I'm Tom.
And I'm Marine. Welcome to Lusha 101.
In this course, we'll walk you through everything you need to know on how to find and connect with the right companies and contacts and get your sales streaming with Lusha. You'll learn how to identify in-market prospects who are ready to buy and how to streamline your prospecting process with Lusha.
We'll start with Lusha Flex Search Filters so you can quickly find the most relevant contacts and companies.
Next, we'll take a deep dive into the warm outbound signals like intent, technologies, funding, and job changes to help you focus on prospects who are most likely to convert.
Then, we'll show you how to leverage AI recommendations to uncover hidden opportunities tailored just for you.
Hidden opportunities? I'm intrigued.
Yeah? So you'll also want to stick around till the end and learn how to use all these insights to personalize your outreach and build effective email sequences with Lusha Engage.
By the end of this course, you'll have all the tools you need to find your next best customer and turn insights into actions. Now press play on the first lesson and let's begin.